அப்படியா? ஆ தெரியாது, அதுக்கு தான் வந்தேன். இதில் முள் அதிகமாக இருக்கும் தானே? Guys, seriously, what a view. See that, and see the back shade. So nice this is to be here. Okay, so a very good evening, and ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so welcome back to our channel. So a very good evening from somewhere near MM Hills. So I almost traveled around 150 kilometers past Bangalore. So today's destination is almost Ooty. So it will take for me and another 5-6 hours from here. If 5 hours it shows 170 kilometers. I have picked up a different route which goes via Mettupalayam and Ooty. So I just want to try out this route and explore Ooty. So actually the whole point of going to Ooty is to see the mist. So it's too much of cold in Ooty. I'm again solo again, so I just don't want to waste our time here, because if somebody was there I could pick up some photos here. See the back shade, right? The reverse sunlight is very good for photography. And so yeah, as I said, I picked up a different route to Ooty. The general route is via Mysore, and I did not want to do that road via Nanjangud. So it's around same the way itself, same the distance itself, but still I just wanted to try out something new, some new roads, explore new roads. See this, we couldn't have found this, right? See the sun is setting there. So I could have done an hyperlapse and all those things here, but due to lack of time, and I'll be late again in the midnight. I am not sure how that road is also at the midnight, so I just don't want to spend some time here. It's not actually about wasting the time here, it's actually about spending the time here. So it says this road will go via MM Hills, Malay Mahadeshwara Betta or Hills. In Kannada it's called as Betta, so that it's called in English Hills. So yeah, I have a checkpost here also again. Ooty. அப்படியா? தெரியாது, அதுக்கு தான் வந்தேன். So I finally stuck up in an see, that's a checkpost. Okay, the security guard there didn't allow me to go there, but still he told me that if any cars come, I go behind that. So I put my bike here, right? So guys, finally all my worries are solved. There is some ghat here. See, it was this ghat, no? This Dimbam ghat is what I did a while before. See, this Banari is the point where I joined back from inside. I was not having fuel also. All my worries are settled now. The rest is dinner. So it's almost 9:15. Okay, it's almost dinner time. So I go this. I get this fish. என்ன மீன் இது? ஜிலேபி இருக்கு, ரோகு. இது என்ன இது? நெய் மீன். இதெல்லாம் பாறைங்க. ரோகு பீஸ். ஜிலேபி. இது அந்த இதுக்கு இது மீன் தானே? ஓகே. இதில் முள் அதிகமாக இருக்கும் தானே? இல்லை, இதில் முள் அதிகமாக இருக்கும், இதில் கம்மியாக இருக்கும். இது எவ்வளோ? இது 300. ரொம்ப சின்ன பீஸ் எதுவுமே இல்லையா அதில்? அது சின்னதா? அது இது பாறை. இதில் முள்ளே இருக்குமா? நடுவில் ஒரு முள் இருக்கும் தானே?
நீட்ட முள் மட்டும்தான் வரும்.
அது இதே போடுங்க. 2 பீஸ் போடுங்க. ஓகே லேட்டர். Eleventh hairpin bend. All this bend I am doing alone. A very good morning from Ooty. So this is a hotel which I stayed for last night. It's called as Highfield Homestay, Kunur. It's not that good. I don't want to say about that, but for 900 rupees for just one night, it's okay. But still, I don't recommend you this for a stay or night for 900 rupees. So I stayed somewhere near this Nilgiri mountain range. This is Kunur railway station here. So early morning itself there was first shift. So you see that engines there. It's a toy train. I stayed somewhere near here itself. And the night at 12 o'clock I come last night. It was so freezing cold. It was too much of freezing cold. So tent didn't work out. So I just hired a room, but that room was worse than my tent also. It's not that good, but still okay. I'm heading to Ooty this morning, and a viewpoint from there, and from there to Gudalur, and from there back to Gundulpete, Mysore, and back to home. So today I'll get back to home itself. I just this ride is all about that, not exploring Ooty, but I so pissed off at home, so I just wanted to take a break free from all those terms. So it's 10-14 degrees. So in the morning, in the night I'd come, right, all these places were so pitch dark. So I thought of pitching a tent somewhere here itself, but that didn't work out well. Okay, so I had bought all my tent sleeping bag itself. Madras Regiment, so one of those Ooty training centers of army. Everybody drilled in for training. All from the army has put up into training. Morning the march is nice views, no? See, all those huts or houses are same, like A to B. It might be sponsors' homes, but still. This is awesome, man. Seriously, see this. Nice, no?